This is our 1992 Yamaha Serow 225. It's a 28-year-old enduro, and it's remarkably tidy. So, starting at the back, rear rack, grab bar, silvery gold, chrome around the exhaust and exhaust guard, new tyre, rear wheels very nice. It's got rear pegs, plastics are very clean, light grey seat, engine's very clean, especially for its age. Bash plate, front end of the exhaust, right side of the tank, it's very tidy. One or two very small marks there, and again on the plastics some of the decals have rubbed off. The gaiters, they're looking a wee bit dirty, but the rubber is still flexible. Lower down legs are good. Front wheel on the right hand side, pretty good. Just a little bit of early corrosion there. A couple of little pits on the top of the forks there. And a headlight cowl. So that's the right hand side. And here's the left. Disc brake guard. Again, a bit of aging lower down on the forks. Left side of the tank, tidy. Quite immaculate, but tidy. Left side of the engine, looks like there's been something spilled on it. The main part is okay. Plastics looking good down the side. It's got the toolkit and black chain guard. There's a little bit of black there on the wheel and one section of the wheel. Pretty tired. Then over the top, grey seats good. Top of the tank, as I say, some light marks. Nothing much. Silver bars, black levers, all looking very good. 17,636 kilometers, about 10,000 and a little bit miles. 1992 Serow 225.